Hey everybody, meet Chris. Chris is a census field manager. A census field manager collects information for a census. A census is a survey that gives information about people who live in an area. A census could say that there are 1,000 people who live in a town. The census could also say how old these people are and what gender they are. The census is taken every 10 years. The next census will be taken in 2020. The goal of a census is to understand how many people live in each city or town at different points in time. For example, we might learn that 5,000 people lived in Springfield, Indiana in 2010. However, there might only be 4,000 people there in 2020. Census field managers walk to each person's house and knock on the door. Then they ask questions to an adult who lives in the house. After census field workers collect information across America, population maps are made. Population maps are special maps that show how many people live in different places in the country. They can also show how many women versus men live in an area and how old people are. A population map usually has a key or legend, just like maps that show where different states are in the United States. The key could also explain that there are different colors in different places to show how many people live in each place. For example, places in red could have less than 5,000 people. Places in blue could have 5,000 to 10,000 people, and places in green could have more than 10,000 people. The maps are then used by historians and other professionals who want to understand how populations change over time. Now it's your turn to think like a census field manager and go on an adventure.